The DWVO fuel pump is designed to be the perfect replacement for your worn-out fuel system part, ensuring optimal performance and fuel efficiency for your vehicle. This assembly features an enhanced fourth-generation turbo pump motor that provides the necessary power and fuel pressure, accelerating fuel atomization and reducing engine startup time for a smoother driving experience. Built with injection molding technology, this fuel pump strengthens the plastic components of the assembly, enhancing the stability and efficiency of fuel delivery. The DWVO fuel pump is engineered to meet or exceed OEM standards in fit, form, and function, ensuring a simple, trouble-free installation process that will have your vehicle running like new in no time. Each fuel pump undergoes rigorous quality testing to ensure that it operates quietly, performs at an industry-leading level, and delivers long-lasting durability. This high-quality assembly is perfect for those looking to restore or upgrade their vehicle's fuel system, offering exceptional performance at a cost-effective price. Whether you're replacing a failing fuel pump or upgrading your vehicle, DWVO's fuel pump assembly guarantees reliability and efficient fuel delivery. Installation is straightforward, but for best results, professional installation is highly recommended. Ready to improve your vehicle's fuel system? Click the link in the description to purchase this premium fuel pump assembly today and enjoy enhanced performance and reliability on the road.